Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. Happy birthday to all my 13 squad. Okay, I'm your host Vanessa Carby. Gemini, let me drink water for that one, yeah. Boy, I don't know why you want to send me for the most challenging thing on this fucking planet. You should have sent me for go look for fucking diamonds. Sending me to sing fucking Rihanna song. How is this possible, Gemini? This is your channel song. And you got me like, oh, what you want from me. And I tried to buy your pretty heart, but the price too high. Baby, you got me like, oh, oh. So don't you put me together and throw me against the wall. Baby, you got me like, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, don't stop loving me. And babe, I'm fighting with fire just to get close to you. And we burn something, baby, and I'll run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but you me so good and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, and it keeps cursing my name. No matter what I do, I can't good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Oh yeah, Mr. Postman. Let's go ahead and go into your career reading. No, we know that we're hearing rumors that Rihanna has retired completely. What is this nonsense? Did the boy babies take away her voice? Jesus Christ. And if she had a girl, would the girl be the other Rihanna 2.0? Let us go ahead and go into your reading. We're going into your career reading, Gemini. So let's see what your focus is, okay? We got the 3 of Swords. Oh my God, Gemini, what happened? Is there love on your brain? I'm getting love on your brain and you're missing somebody, Gemini. I'm getting the 3 of Swords. Your focus is a heartbreak. I'm getting it's hard to focus because you're going through a heartbreak. I'm sorry, Gemini. Don't know what's happening. I'm getting it could be betrayal, but I'm getting you feel teary-eyed, Gemini. What's your advice? The 10 of Pentacles, a lot of money though. So someone's hurt or someone's demise caused a lot of money. No, this could be somebody in your family got hurt. Somebody in your family died and you get inheritance. Or me getting something, your father sick, you're going to take over the family business now. What's your mentorship? The Queen of Wands. I'm getting this woman, Queen of Wands, she's a mentor. She could be Sagittarius, Aries. What's your sign? The sign is the 7 of Swords. Your outcome is the Hierophant. So me getting some, okay, this could be a church. If this is not a church, me getting you're going to come into a lot of money. Now me feel like when you are told the reason as to why you're getting so much money, you're going to cry. I don't know if your family perished or your father left something for you before he died, before he went behind bars. Me getting you're going to get a lot, you're going to cry when you get this money. But it's because of how you get it. Now, This could also be, you're gonna find out, say, a Sagittarius or a Leo thief your money. Me getting all of the family member, then they get money. You never get yours because of what this woman did to you. Me getting is a Leo or a Sagittarius woman. Me getting she thief the whole of the money. You could be somebody you were friends with. It could have been your own family member. Me getting you really might cry when you find out how much this family member hates you. Cause me getting you were supposed to get this so long ago, but me getting you that woman here, Sagittarius or Leo, she thief it. She thief the whole of your money, the Hierophant. She could have stole it under the false pretense of church. She steal it under the false pretense that she can help you, she can set you up, she can give you everything what you need and spend all the money on you. She can thief the money. If you give her 10 of Pentacles, she can give the Hierophant 3. Maybe you gave somebody money to oversee something because you thought they were more mature. They are more mature. They're also a thief. The Hierophant is your outcome. You never trust the Taurus. You trust the Sagittarius over the Taurus. You trust the Leo over the Taurus. You never trust the Taurus to make the good judgment. I feel like you knew that the Taurus make exceptionally well judgment. You just never want the Taurus to do this well for themselves. So you put it in the hands of a Leo. Or am I getting love in the brain? Somebody thought you couldn't do something. Am I getting yes, the fuck you could? So something might be taken from a Sagittarius Leo and it's going to be given to a Taurus, the Hierophant. So is it a big pussy church member doing this to you? Ask God, why should I pray to God for God to close up our pussy? You can't go to church and your pussy so big. Why you never pray to God so your pussy gets smaller? Or does prayer not work? We have justice. Justice will be served. Libra. Use protection. Whatever that is. Celebrity. Line. Aquarius. And program. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.